Welcome to the next Hyperlapse video. This is from the sunset just over the Pitkäjärvi in Espoo. Unfortunately, the sunset will happen behind the clouds, so you can see the rays and the glimpses at the end, but the main beauty is behind the clouds. You can also see at the left side you are seeing the two lakes. They are Matalajärvi and Puudumjärvi. But please enjoy also the other changes what will happen, like the small boat which is going to race. You are able to see the ring road tree at the right side, and you can see that the clouds are moving actually quite fast. So you are able to see now the actual hyperlapse. So at the top, these clouds in normal life looks like they are stationary, but now they are moving very fast. You're able to see the racing of the boat and the rays of the sun. And now into the end it will glimpse at the background into the horizon, and then it sets completely. Like that. Now I will fly back to the base. I hope you enjoyed this small video, and I hope to see you again. Bye.